Hi, I'm Matt Plinchak and I'm with Live Raleigh. I'm here today at the newly renovated Moore Square to share with you the latest real estate stats for Wake County. Starting next week on June 5th, they're going to have a farmer's market here as kind of a kickoff to the grand opening of the park, which is to be held later in August. I'll keep you updated. Definitely keep in touch with us on our Facebook page. Now, here are the numbers for the month of April.
There were 1,865 closings during the month of April here in Wake County, a 2.2% increase from April of last year. There were 2,429 new listings added last month. Currently, there are 3,773 active homes for sale, which is nearly 4% less than last April. The average sales price increased to $358,528, a 5.4% increase from a year ago, and the average days on market increased to 27 days. There are currently 2 months' supply of homes on the market, and homes are selling on average 98% of original list price.
Thanks for tuning in this month. If you have any questions about the buying or selling process, you can reach me directly at 919-285-6437 or email me at matt@liveraleigh.realty.com.